Hi friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar, your computer teacher. Today we will discuss class 8 lesson 5 app development part 3rd. Downloading and installing an app from Google Play Store means how to download and install app from Google Play Store. Steps for downloading the apps. Step first, tap on Play Store icon on the screen of your device. Step first, tap on open on Play Store icons on the screen of your device. Step 2, now type the name of app search bar in you want to download. Second step, you type your app you want to search, you want to install, so you can type the name of app in a search bar. Step 3rd, after that it displays the relevant list of apps. It means there are so many apps related to this your search option. Now you can select the most suitable one by tapping on the name of the app, and after that you select and install it. Click install your app install on your device. So these are the easy method to download and install app from Google Play Store, which are generally used nowadays. Step for installing the app means after that when you are show your suitable app, then how to install it. Step first, once you find the desired app in the list after searching from Google Play Store, now you can tap on that app and read the additions relevant information about the like any fee, payable review, comments, etc. Means when you click a particular app, you can show a message, display message, this app is fee, payable, review and comment. And after the second step, now tap on install button to install app in your device. Then after you click the install option, install button, you on your to install app on your mobile. Step 3rd, after the confirmation of your consent to access specific information from your phone, and then the app will be installed on your phone. Means when you click the install button, then one message appear for a confirmation. When you confirm it, then your app installed in your device. Next, development your own app means how to develop your own apps. It is not difficult to make your own apps in a several websites which allow you to do same in a short times. If you know about any programming, any type of language, you also develop your own app by different types of website provide these facilities to create your own apps. Requirements for development of Android apps. What is the requirement of to develop Android apps? First, Android SDK, software development kit. First things, Android SDK, software development kit. Second, knowledge of Java for making API. Third, XML, HTML, CSS. Fourth, IDE, integrated development environment. These 4 things are required to develop any app. Question here, it is possible to build an app without your knowledge of programming. Without knowledge of programming, you cannot develop any app. Answer, yes, it is possible. Many companies offer a user-friendly interface to build Android apps without prior knowledge of programming. Some of these offer free service which may be limited usefulness, while others offer premium service. Some on the free service which are not good usefulness, limited times, and some offer premium service to develop your own apps. So if you know about any programming language, you can create your own apps. to given websites. Here examples of app builders offered by some company website. Means through app builders you can easy way to develop your own apps without the knowledge of programming. Here the app builder's name and website address. Apps bar. Here the address, website address www.appsbar.com. appy www.appy.com. In your syllabus, the second app builder's names are given appy. We will discuss how to create through the appy, how to create any apps through appy. Third one, the app8, www.app8.com, appmaker, www.appmaker.com. Means through this free websites you can easily to create your own apps. Note, many of these sites offer the use of app store to promote own apps. Means through this website you can create and also promoted this website. This website is helpful to create own apps. Next, key point. Some key points are very important when you develop your apps. SDK, Software Development Kit. An SDK is a collection of software used for developing applications for specific devices or operating system. Means software development kit is a collection of software used for developing application for specific devices like operating system. Example here SDK include Windows 7 SDK, the Mac OS SDK and the iPhone SDK with software development kits. Next, HTML, hypertext markup language. Means you can requirement when you develop any apps, you require such key points. HTML is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in web browser. It can be assigned by technologies such as CS, cascading style sheets. Through HTML you can create or design of your apps. Next is Java. Java is programming language that produces software for multiple platforms. When a programmer writes a Java application, the compiled code known as bytecode run on most operating systems, include Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Means when you create a programming language through Java, then Java is a high-level language and easy way to learn any operating system like Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. XML is software and hardware independent tool for storing and transferring data. Through storing and transferring data, you can use XML language. And integrated development environment IDE. IDE is a software application that provides comprehensive facility to computer programmers for software development. And IDE normally consists of at least a source code editor, build automation tools, and debugger. Through IDE you can easy way to create, because source code creator, editor, you can edit to create and edit. And if you find any error, this IDE also capable to find error, debugger. Android Studio. Next one is Android Studio. Provide a unified environment where you can buy app for Android phones, tablets, Android VR, Android TV, and Android Auto. Structured code modules allow you to dividing your project in units of functionality that you can independently build, test, and debug. Android Studio provides an environment where you can create apps for Android phone, tablets, Android TV. You can easy way to test and find the debug. Debug means error. Through Android Studio you can test your apps and find your error. If you find any error, then you sort out, and after the test, that means when you are complete this Android Studio process, then your app is suitable for anyone. Next is Eclipse. Eclipse is integrated development environment. It also provides a IDE for developing application using the Java programming language. The introduction API, because in your syllabus API websites, app builders through which you can easy way to develop your apps. Anyone can create powerful, professional, native mobile apps with API. Even layman's users can customize app layouts, add stunning features like chatbots, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, Internet of Things, hyperlinks through Android, iOS, Windows, BlackBerry. Through this app you can create easy way to any own apps. So anyone can build an app and monetize the following few simple steps. Here, app builder to make an app without coding. This app builder is user who can make your app without coding. Through API app you can create powerful professional, just like you download the apps just like Play Store. You download different types of app through Play Store. You can easily to create through this website, this app builders, API step. So create an app with API app builders. Here, create your free app in 3 easy steps. First, choose a category. Here there are so many categories: business, quiz, healthcare. There are so many apps category. You can first select the category. Step 2, my features. Step 2, my features. Select your features. Here, according to your requirement, you select. You want to choose examination types app. Then you click, and after that there are so many types of features available. You can easily to use and save and continue. Step 3, customize your design. After that you design your apps, is how to layout, how to look when you start your apps. So you can choose the app design. Here a simple way: choose category, means select the appropriate category for your business websites. Step 2, add features. You want to add your features, just in the previous slides discussed. Third, launch your website, means launch your apps. Publish your website and increase your business revenue. Through this app you can easy way to create your own app. After that, homework. Question 1, explain the importance of education app. Question 2, how can you download and install app from Google Play Store? Step 3, what are difference between desktop app and mobile app? Question 4, distinguish between native apps and hybrid app. Question 5, how can you broadly categorize the app? Explain any one app. Question 6, what are the requirements for developing an app? Question 7, with the help of suitable example, explain the photo editing task that can be done by using desktop, web or mobile apps. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, call me by number 8840156170. Thank you.